morning, I'm Steven with McCutcheon's Air Conditioning, and today we're going to be performing a maintenance on an air conditioner. Get a good look at what it looks like after 1 year. See where everything sits, if anything needs any adjustments, and how the operation has been going. Right now, just kind of going through. A lot of times what will happen is just from operation, normal use, wires will loosen connections, and just going through tightening everything down, making sure nothing's loose or come loose from rattling or vibration. And that will eventually lead to one small wire can lead to a burnt relay or a failed part. So by checking all the connections and tightening down, you're saving a couple $100 down the road. Right now I'm going to test voltage, see what we have coming into the machine. And now with our breaker off, I feel comfortable putting my hands in here a little further, making sure all these wires in the back are nice and tight and snug. Now, while I got it off before we turn it on and get the compressor running, I'm going to open up this panel here and check out the evaporator coil in the drain pan. Make sure it's clean and flush it out, and install what we call algae tablets, which will help prevent any growth inside the drain pan of algae and any buildup that might cause a clogged drain. The drain is actually nice and clean in this. Obviously it's only a year old, and also got this nice, large, perfect fit filter, which helps prevent a lot of that dirt buildup that leads to a clogged drain pan. And these are the algae tablets that I'm going to put into the pan, which will slowly dissolve into the water and break down the algae that might be growing in the drain line where it goes out and underground. Also prevent growth inside the pan. And then we've got a mild sanitizer here. Just going to kind of help dissolve those tablets a little bit and get them to dilute into the water. Also going to lightly spray this coil.